Hey everyone! Welcome back to English World, your English learning channel. Today we will learn English in an interesting and a calm way. Our today's first topic is about watching the sunrise. Sunrise is the time when the sun comes up. It is quiet and beautiful. You will hear two people talking while they watch the sunrise together. This lesson helps you learn real-life English. Simple, slow, and easy to follow. Just relax and listen carefully. You don't need to understand every word. Now let's go outside to watch the sunrise and enjoy today's English conversation.
Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Wow! The sky looks so beautiful this morning. The colors are soft and warm.
Yes, I was just thinking the same thing. The orange and pink light is spreading everywhere.
I don't usually wake up this early, but today I really wanted to see the sunrise.
I understand. Sometimes waking up early feels difficult, but moments like this make it worth it.
That's true. The world feels so calm right now. No noise, no traffic, just quiet air.
Yes, mornings like this make me feel relaxed. It feels like the day is starting gently.
The air feels cool and fresh. It's very different from the busy afternoons.
I like breathing this morning air. It helps me clear my mind.
Do you come here often to watch the sunrise?
Not every day, but whenever I feel stressed, I come here to feel peaceful again.
That's a good idea. I think I should do this more often.
It helps. Watching nature reminds me to slow down.
Yes, sometimes life moves too fast, and we forget to enjoy simple things.
Exactly. The sunrise reminds us that every day is a new beginning.
That's a beautiful way to think about it.
Thank you. I always feel hopeful when I see the sun come up.
I feel that too. It feels like I can start fresh today.
Do you have many plans for today?
Not many. I just want a calm and productive day.
That sounds nice. Starting the day peacefully can change your mood for the whole day.
Yes, I already feel more positive.
Me too. It's amazing how something simple like sunlight can make us happy.
The sun is rising higher now. The light is getting brighter.
Yes, soon the sky will turn completely blue.
I'm really glad I came here this morning.
I'm glad too. And it's nice to share this quiet moment with someone.
Yes, it makes the experience feel warmer somehow.
Sometimes talking to a stranger in a peaceful place feels comfortable.
I agree. It feels easy to speak here.
Well, I hope your day turns out to be wonderful.
Thank you. I hope your day is peaceful and happy too.
Thank you. Maybe we will meet here again someday.
Maybe. I would like that.
All right, I think I will start my day now.
Me too. Have a beautiful morning.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello, welcome back. In our last lesson, we watched the sunrise. It was a quiet and peaceful morning. Two people talked while watching the sky. Now the morning is ending, and it is time to go home. In next lesson, we will learn English at a bus stop. A very common real-life situation. You will hear simple and slow conversation about buses, tickets, and travel. Now let's go to the bus stop and begin today's English conversation.
Excuse me. Hello.
Hello? Yes?
I'm sorry to bother you. I need some help, please.
That's completely fine. What do you need help with?
I want to go home by bus today, but I'm not sure which bus I should take.
No problem at all. Where are you trying to go?
I need to go to the Green Park area.
Oh, yes. I know that place very well.
That's good to hear.
You will need to take bus number 12.
Bus number 12. Okay. Does it stop here at this station?
Yes, it does. It leaves from platform 4.
Platform 4. I'm not very familiar with this station. Where can I find it?
It's not far. If you look over there, you can see a big blue sign with the number 4.
Oh, yes, I see it now.
That's the right place.
Thank you. Do you know when the next bus arrives?
Let me think. I believe it should arrive in about 10 or 15 minutes.
That's good. I was worried I might have missed it already.
No, you're still early. You have enough time.
That makes me feel better.
Do you need to buy a ticket?
Yes, I think so. I'm not sure how it works here.
You can buy a ticket at the ticket counter or from the machine over there.
Oh, I didn't notice the machines.
They're easy to use. The instructions are on the screen.
That's helpful. How much does a ticket to Green Park cost?
It should be about $2.
That's fine. I have some cash with me.
You can pay with cash or card at the machine.
Great. After I buy the ticket, what should I do?
Just go to platform 4 and wait near the bus stop sign.
Do I need to show the ticket before I get on the bus?
Yes, show it to the driver when you enter.
Okay, that sounds simple.
It is simple once you know the steps.
Do you take this bus often?
Yes, I travel this route almost every day.
Oh, so you know the system very well.
Yes, but the first time I came here, I was confused too.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Everyone feels unsure at first. It's normal.
Yes, there are so many signs and platforms.
That's true, but people here are usually helpful if you ask.
I'm glad I asked you.
I'm happy I could help.
How long does the ride to Green Park take?
It usually takes about 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
That's not too long.
No, it's a comfortable ride.
Are there many stops on the way?
Yes, but the bus driver announces each stop.
Oh, that's very helpful.
You can also watch the signs inside the bus.
Good idea. I'll pay attention.
Do you live in Green Park?
Yes, I moved there recently.
That's nice. It's a quiet and pleasant area.
Yes, I like it very much.
You chose a good place to live.
Thank you. I'm still learning my way around.
You'll get used to it quickly.
I hope so. Are you going home after this?
Yes, I went out early this morning to watch the sunrise.
That sounds lovely.
It was very peaceful.
Mornings can be very special.
Yes, they make me feel calm.
That's a great way to start the day.
I think so too. Well, your bus should arrive soon.
I think I should go buy the ticket now.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Thank you so much for your help and your kindness.
You are very welcome. I hope you have a safe journey.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.